Okay guys, we'll do the unpacking of my new Arrow exhaust. Whole lot of guts. That's a beauty. Over here. Titanium. Ah, smells good. Right guys, so I have installed the carbon fiber protection for here, as well as the stock. I got it from the stock exhaust. So I'm gonna scale both. See the gain. The exhaust has the DB killer inside, and I guess we need to drill that part here in order to have it easy out and reinstall it whenever we want. However, in order to get it out now, you need to drill those holes here, those lines basically, with the trimmer, and have them out, and then you can get it off. So at the moment we will bring it like, keep it as it is, and then in the future I'll upload the DB killer removal. Listen to the standard exhaust plus Decat pipe and DNA filter. Listen to the Arrow exhaust, how it sounds.